Positive thinking. Why positive thinking is important. It might appear that our minds control us, but if you observe closely, you will realize that we are something much deeper than our mind, and we are the ones controlling our mind and not the other way around. However, at times, we might face difficult situations which can generate negative emotions in us like anger, sadness, anxiety, discouragement, etc. These emotions make our mind think in negative directions, and we start losing control over it. Our mind, which has the potential to become our biggest strength, becomes our worst enemy in such a scenario of negative thinking. So, in order to overcome this, we need to train our mind to always stay positive and auto-recover quickly if it goes in a negative direction in difficult circumstances. Thinking positive impacts our lives positively. Positive thinking is a skill which, once acquired, equips our brain with the power to fight against negative emotions. Negative emotions are also the reason for unhappiness, so if your mind is conditioned to always think positive, you can be happy more often. Also, with positive thinking, we learn to look at the positive side of every situation, which consequently attracts positive results and success. How to think positive. Our minds behave based on how they've been programmed over a period of time. One good thing about the mind is you can always teach it new things. So, even if your mind has a tendency to go in a negative direction, you can still teach it positive behavior. The following are some of the good techniques to cultivate positivity. 1. Positive mental diet. To teach your brain positivity and optimism, you need to feed your brain with positive mental diet. This includes reading good books, surrounding yourself with positive people who believe in you, watching motivational videos, and doing activities like yoga, meditation, etc. 2. Affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements, which, if you repeat them every day, will inculcate positivity in your thoughts. Some examples of affirmation are, I can, I will, I am in charge of how I feel, and today I am choosing happiness. Affirmations are really effective once you start believing in them. If you keep repeating, I can do it over a period of time, your subconscious mind will start building this positive belief system. So, next time you face a difficult situation, the belief system of I can do it in your mind will naturally motivate you to face and conquer the situation rather than giving up. 3. Learn from failures. Every time you fail to control your mind and fall into negativity and end up taking a bad decision or doing a bad action, make sure that once you come out of the negativity, you analyze the situation in detail. As part of this exercise, one must analyze the reasons for falling into negativity, how to prevent making bad decisions because of negativity, and what you could have done in that moment to be able to minimize negativity and come out of it quickly. Also, if you can do a small write-up and discuss with someone, it would help you to learn from this and not fall into such a situation again in the future. Number 4. Physical fitness. In this fast-moving world, we have a tendency to prioritize work and somehow we forget to take care of our health. If we are physically unfit, we're more likely to get stressed and depressed, which can lead to mental illness and negativity. Regular exercise and healthy eating have profound mental health benefits. Physical fitness relieves stress, energizes our body and mind, helps us sleep better, and overall makes us feel positive and happy. 5. Living in the present moment. At times we accumulate negativity by getting anxious about the future or feeling regretful about the past. Moreover, our minds have a tendency to overthink and create negative situations in our mind. So, in order to overcome this, one good practice is to remind yourself to live in the present moment. A good mechanism to achieve this is to build a habit of focusing on your breathing and meditating a few times a day. This will prevent your thoughts from overthinking and will make you live in that particular moment only. Teaching your mind to be in the present moment will help you overcome a large part of the negativity from your daily routine.